Love this for me. Uh-oh. This is 10:30 at night. The problem. Alright, so this is the drip tray. Just cleaning it off, making it all nice and dry. I'm going to dry that as well. Okay. Cantankerous, just getting it back on. Gotta make sure both sides line up. Alright, good. Alright, perfect. That's gonna clip in. That clips in. Alright, so that's secure. I might leave that out for now because I really don't want to start a fire. I'm not here to start a fire this evening, you know. So I'm just gonna go. Probably not gonna use this dishwasher until my fiance comes back. Because guess what? If he uses it and something happens on his watch, it's not my problem. You know what I mean? Okay. Do you know how long it took me to find this drill piece? I swear, too long. Too bloody long, mate. Alright, a second. We're in. Alright, good. Let's see. And just like that. She's working.